Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix enable to go online in Uber driver app. Now first you just need to go to App Store or Play Store and then make sure you search for Uber and then make sure you update the app to the latest version. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this problem in just a few seconds, but before that just make sure you update the app to the latest version. Just go to App Store or Play Store and then search for the app. And then make sure you click on it. Make sure you click on update if there is any update for the app. Okay, so another way that will probably fix the problem is to check first your internet connection if it's working perfectly. Also, another way to fix this is just add another vehicle with identical document info to your current one. So this worked for someone, that's why I'm sharing this with you. Okay, just do this and see if it will work. Just add another vehicle with identical document info to your current one. Okay, so another way to fix this, or the reason why you have this problem, is you are driving outside of the service area of your sign up city. Okay, if you want to drive in a new city, you want to change the address to the new city. Okay, that's very, very important. Also, your rating is low, so learn how you can improve your ratings on Uber app. Also, it says here you exceeded the driving limit, the driving time limit. This applies to US and Canada only. Okay, so just do this. Also here, changes to your account status. For example, you need to check your email, including the spam folder, for a message from Uber, or the inbox section of your app for any communications from Uber about why you are unable to go online. So just check if there is any requirements from Uber. Probably they are not allowing you to go online because you need to provide the command or something like that. That's why you need to check the email and also the inbox section of your app for any communication from Uber. So like I said, hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Make sure to drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.